So ito, nagluto ako ng ulam namin for lunch and dinner. At yun, kung may tara, syempre, kasi yan, nilagyan ko siya ng banana. Ayan na, banana. Yan, may banana din sa akin, guys. Yan, adobong baboy, so sili green. Yan. Medyo patuyuin lang natin siya unti. Yan, may lempo siya, guys. Lempo. Adobong lempo na may banana. Saging saba. Okay, so sarap kasi pag saging saba. With sour and sour and sweet. Yan, sarap siya, guys. It's yummy. Ulam for today. So guys, please follow, like, and share kayo, guys. And please don't skip the ads. Thank you for the support. God bless everyone. Kayo, kumain na kayo. Kung ano man ang ulam nyo. Yan. Tipid-tipid sa ulam. Thank you for watching. God bless, guys.